Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will study about GCS, one of the most important topic with live demonstration. So as you know, GCS is Glasgow Coma Scale having three components and it is used to assess the level of consciousness. Three components, that is eye response, verbal response and motor response. So आज हम ये with live demonstration के साथ पढ़ने वाले हैं. So let's start. So he is our as you understand, he is our patient. So I am going to the patient side.
हेलो मैम, कैसे हो आप?
I am fine. How are you?
आई एम फाइन। मैम, मेरा डिस्चार्ज कब होगा?
बस हो जाएगा कुछ दिनों में आपका डिस्चार्ज. ठीक है. You see, patient acknowledge my presence just by touch and he spontaneously open his eyes and ask. So it is termed as E4. Again another scenario. Robin, आंखें खोलो.
हेलो मैम।
ठीक हो? So you have seen like when I go to the patient bedside, when I touch him, he didn't acknowledge my presence. But when I ask to open his eyes, he opened his eyes. So it is termed as E3. Okay, E4 is spontaneously open eyes. E3 is by asking. Another scenario, when I go to patient side, he didn't acknowledge my presence because इसने आंखें नहीं खोली है. Robin, आंखें खोलो. Again, like by asking, still he is not open his eyes. Then what I do, I give him पेन. मैं पेन दूंगी. सबसे पहले पेन कहाँ देंगे? पेरिफेरल पेन देंगे. पेरिफेरल पेन कहाँ पे देते हैं? नेल बेड पे. नेल बेड पे हम पेरिफेरल पेन देंगे फॉर 10 सेकेंड. अगेन ही इज नॉट ओपन हिज आइज. देन हम सेंट्रल पेन देते हैं. सेंट्रल पेन दो जगह देते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द ट्रेपीजियस मसल्स पे एंड सेकेंड वन इज द सुप्रा और वाइटल मार्जिन पे देंगे. ठीक है. एंड व्हेन आई गिव द पेन.
हेलो मैम।
So like after pain he open his eyes, it means this is E2. And even when there is no response, like just after giving 10 second pain के बाद भी patient open eyes नहीं करेगा, so it is termed as E1. So eye response has completed. For verbal response, like eye response then verbal response. So verbal response started from 5 5 4 3 2 1. V5 termed as when patient is oriented to time, place and person. Like हेलो, कैसे हो आप? क्या नाम है आपका?
रोबिन।
कहाँ पे हो आप?
हॉस्पिटल बेड नंबर 1।
ओके, ठीक हो?
फाइन।
ओके. सो देखो, पेशेंट इज ओरिएंटेड टू टाइम, प्लेस एंड पर्सन, सो इट इज टर्म्ड एज V5. सो अगेन अनदर सिनेरियोज, आई एम गोइंग टू द पेशेंट साइड. रोबिन, कैसे हो आप?
आई एम फाइन।
कहाँ पे हो आप?
मैं बस में.
बस में हो आप? Okay, so see, patient is not oriented to place and like he is confused कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं हॉस्पिटल में हूँ कि बस में हूँ, कहाँ हूँ. So this is patient is disoriented, मतलब कि patient is confused. So if patient is confused, it is termed as V4. Again another scenarios, I am going to patient side. Robin, कैसे हो आप?
चल हट.
कहाँ हो आप?
चल हट.
So it is termed as V3. V3 means inappropriate words. Means what question you ask, the patient answer is not sync with your questions. That is V3 means inappropriate words. So in another scenarios, I am going to patient side. Robin, how are you? कैसे हो? ठीक हो? ठीक हो? क्या नाम है आपका? कहाँ पे हो आप? So see, here the patient didn't tell anything. He is just producing the sound. So V2 is just like moaning. Some sound is produced, that it is termed as V2. And V1 is when patient is not responding anything, not telling anything. Eye response we have checked. Verbal response I have checked. Then coming to the motor response. So motor response start from M6. 6 means the patient follows the commands. Like रोबिन, ये हाथ ऊपर करो, पूरा ऊपर करो, पूरा. हाँ, वेरी गुड. नीचे करो. ठीक है. जीभ बाहर निकालो. ओके. सी, सो पेशेंट इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग व्हाट यू आर सेइंग टू पेशेंट. पेशेंट फॉलोज द कमांड्स, सो इट इज टर्म्ड एज M6. ओके. सो M5 इन अनदर सिनेरियोज, आई एम गोइंग टू पेशेंट साइड. रोबिन, हाथ ऊपर करो, ये वाला हाथ ऊपर करो, जीभ बाहर निकालो. Patient is not following your commands. But when I am giving pain I told you like peripheral pain और trapezius muscles पे पेन देंगे या फिर हम supra और vital pain देंगे. So when I am giving pain, when I am giving pain, patient localize to this pain. Like I am giving pain here, patient localize his hand to this pain. So it is termed as M5, means patient localized to pain. That is M5. So in another scenarios, when I am going to patient bedside, okay, so M6 means following the command, M5 means localized to pain. But M4 क्या है? M4 में पेशेंट जो है पेन को लोकलाइज नहीं करेगा, ही जस्ट विदड्रॉइंग, मतलब कि नॉर्मल फ्लेक्शन टू पेन, जो आप पेन दोगे उस पर नॉर्मल फ्लेक्शन करेगा. लाइक आई एम गिविंग टू पेन. So see, this is M4 means patient just withdraw, pain से वो withdraw कर रहा है, that is normal flexion to pain. It is termed as M4. So again another scenarios, I am giving pain to patient. So this is like abnormal flexion. He is like not localized to pain, not like withdrawing, but it is abnormal flexion. So it is termed as M3. Another scenarios, I am giving pain to patient. So see, he is not like localized to pain, like not abnormal flexion, but it is like abnormal extension. This is abnormal extension, or you can say decerebrate position, and it is termed as M2. And M1, when I am giving pain to patient and you see there is no any response, like no decerebrate, no decorticate, nothing, like not localized to pain, nothing, so it is termed as M1. So like we assess EI components, that is 4, maximum is 4 and minimum is 1. Like that, for verbal component the maximum score is 5 and the minimum is 1. And same like for motor component, the maximum is 6 and the minimum is 1. So the range is 3 to 15. So आप कैसे याद कर सकते हो? EVM 4, 5, 6. अगर लेस देन 8 होता है तो मीन्स पेशेंट कैसा है? पेशेंट कोमा स्टेज में है. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट GCS. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल द बेस्ट.